First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, the rains are beginning to fall now over parts of south central Kentucky. The clouds moving into the Bowling Green area. If you live east of I-65, you're still getting some sunshine for a little while, and the winds are picking up. That's all in advance of that cold front that'll be pushing through over the next few hours. Here's a look at First Alert live Doppler radar. And as you can see, we've got rain west of I-65, but east of us, skies are mainly sunny across south central Kentucky, but the clouds are really starting to thicken up now, and the temperatures 66, the current temperature reading here in Bowling Green. Now we do have some measurable rainfall to show you, which is starting to pick up now in intensity back to the west. Already Calhoun has picked up 7/100 of an inch of rain up there in McLean County, 5/100 there in Madisonville and Hopkins County, a little bit there in Hopkinsville and Greenville. Hartford at 2/100 of an inch of rain. So as you can see, all the rain is beginning to push eastward, and eventually we're going to find some showers even here in the Bowling Green area. And even though we're not getting a current reading from the Mesonet side here in Bowling Green, everybody else reporting mainly 60s and even low 70s, where we're getting a lot of sunshine east of I-65. But look how the temperature has already started to fall now, back with the rain to our west. It's dropped to 60 in Calhoun and Madisonville, and that cooler air will start to work its way eastward with the rain showers. And the winds, of course, we've been talking about that, picking up out of the south at 15 to 20, even up to 25 miles per hour. Current wind gust right now in Glasgow. Look at that 34 mile per hour wind gust in Franklin. We could see a few places even hit 40 miles per hour with winds this afternoon as the front comes in, and dew points have climbed from being almost in the low 30s, which is very dry, to quickly into the mid and upper 50s, which means there's plenty of moisture to work with now. And the skies are starting to become more overcast as we look live from our Doppler cam. It's kind of shaking from time to time with the winds as they come through. 71 at the airport right now with the south-southwesterly wind at 18, and the pressure is falling. Here's a look east of us. Glasgow, you're seeing lots of sunshine, and you can't even tell rain's headed your way until you look west. 72 your current temperature reading, but you see Greenville, we showed you at the top of the show, you're getting rain and a temperature of 64. We head north to Litchfield. You're about to get some showers there in Grayson County. Your current temperature at 66. And then we head just west of us. You can see a raindrop right there on the camera lens, and downtown Russellville 69. You're just now starting to see the showers there in Logan County, but Mammoth Cave National Park looking good at 72. 71 here. Look at the big cool down now back to the west. You can tell the front is making impact here with St. Louis. They started out in the 60s this morning. They have fallen to 48 degrees. Springfield, Missouri at 40. Kansas City at 39 as the temperatures continue to plummet behind that front. 10 to 15 to 20 degree drops in temperature. We're 8 degrees warmer than we were at midday yesterday. Now looking at the radar view here, you see everything kind of falling apart just a little bit. That's some of the drier air that's working into this system, but we still have an impulse of low pressure that's going to ride along the front later this evening. As the showers move on by, that little impulse of energy may help wrench out a little bit more in the way of rain as we get into this evening, especially before midnight. Not expecting any thunderstorms out of this, but the cold front's going to come on through, and then the cooler northwesterly flow is going to kick into high gear late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Skies will clear, and then the temperatures will begin to fall, because this is an Arctic high pressure that is going to take over for the remainder of the work week and on into the Veterans Day weekend. So your forecast calling for a high today. We've already hit that 71, breezy and warm, showers becoming likely, then rain likely tonight, turning cooler with a low of 40. Tomorrow, we'll only make it back to 55 with a mostly sunny sky, but near freezing Thursday night into Friday morning. And then as we get on into the holiday weekend, mostly sunny skies, high temperatures in the low 60s, and our next best chance of rain starting Tuesday afternoon, but that's not until, of course, next week. In the meantime, we'll be back with more Midday Live in just a minute.